In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Revolut to a UK bank account. By the end, you'll feel confident completing a simple, secure transfer in just a few taps. Before we begin, make sure you have the recipient's details ready. For UK bank transfers, you'll need two things: the sort code and the account number. The sort code is 6 digits, usually written in pairs, and the account number is 8 digits. It's important to have them exactly right because even a single incorrect digit can send money to the wrong place. If you have the details written down, read them clearly. If you're copying from a message, watch out for spaces or dashes. Start by opening the Revolut app and heading to the payments section at the bottom of the screen. This is your hub for sending money, whether it's to contacts or directly to bank accounts. Once you're there, tap the plus icon at the top. That button starts a brand new transfer, so you're not editing anything old or saved by mistake. Next, choose Bank Transfer or Bank Recipient. Different versions of the app may label it slightly differently, but both options take you to the same place, adding a bank account you want to send money to. Because you're sending to a UK bank account, the app will prompt you for the sort code and account number. Type them in carefully. A helpful tip is to read each number out loud in pairs for the sort code and in small groups for the account number. If the app highlights a formatting error, fix it before you continue. Accuracy here saves time later. When the recipient details look correct, enter the amount you want to send. Check the currency shows GBP for British pounds. If your Revolut balance is in another currency, the app will show the conversion and the rate before you proceed, so you know exactly what's leaving your account. Now, take a moment to review everything. Confirm the sort code, the account number, and the amount. This quick pause is the best safeguard against typos and wrong totals. If anything seems off, go back and correct it. When you're happy, tap Send to complete the transfer. You should see a confirmation on screen, often with an estimated arrival time. UK transfers typically move quickly, and you'll be notified in the app once it's gone through. And that's it. You've successfully sent money from Revolut to a UK bank account safely and with confidence.